Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore how to take down the protective walls we may have built during vulnerable times so that we can open up and grow in new experiences once more. Find a quiet place to sit. Gently straighten your spine without hardening your back muscles. As you begin to settle in, close your eyes and turn your attention to your breath. For the first few moments, deepen and lengthen your breath. Feel your ribs and lungs expanding as you breathe in. Feel them contracting as you breathe out. Now, let your breath settle back into a softer, more natural rhythm. And though it may not be quite as apparent, notice how your ribs and lungs continue to expand and contract with each breath. Now, feel into your whole body breathing with you. Your entire body, right to the surface of your skin, gently widens and broadens on your inhalations, and then softens and settles on your exhalations. Stay with this feeling of space and softness. Now, let your attention widen. A natural response to hardship is to close ourselves off. Perhaps we've experienced a breakup, and the idea of living through another heartbreak scares us. Or maybe we messed up an interview, and we desperately want to avoid further failure. Since it's human nature to seek out safety and comfort, we naturally put up emotional protections when we feel susceptible or afraid. These walls can sometimes be beneficial. They provide us with space and time to heal. But after the hardship fades away, it's essential to remove our protective armor. If we wear it for too long, it can prevent us from stepping into new opportunities and from deepening our relationships, while also restricting our personal growth. Dropping our protective walls may seem like an overwhelming prospect, but it doesn't have to be. We can approach the process step by step. It all begins with the awareness that these protection mechanisms exist within us. From there, we can make a conscious and determined choice to open ourselves up again, little by little. We can start with small but concrete actions, like saying yes to invitations we would usually turn down, or letting a friend see our true feelings, rather than pretending our life is perfect. So be gentle with yourself. As you learn to recognize and dismantle your emotional walls, trust that it's a process that takes courage and time. When it feels too hard to open up, go slow and give yourself permission to retract to safety until you're ready to push a little further again. Like peeling off the skin of an onion, do it one layer at a time until you feel ready to blossom. Now, gently come back to your breath. Feel your body in space. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Try opening up today, and let's meet back here tomorrow.